So, we are going to try to make cookies. Right? What kind of cookies?
Bear ones.
Bear cookies. We had a family friend leave this on our porch the other day so that we can make cookies. So, Addie and I are going to try to follow a recipe and make some cookies and then decorate them. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's see. What do you have right there? What do we need?
Eggs.
Eggs. Do you know what this is?
Yeah. Milk.
It's not milk. It's baking powder.
Powder.
And then you know what this
Flour.
is? Flour. Very good. What is this?
Cookies.
Cookies. This is sugar.
Good.
Sugar. Do you know what that is?
Butter.
Butter. Very good. And do you know what this is?
Another.
Called vanilla.
Another.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get some butter. Normally we would use stick butter, but I don't have any. So we're just gonna use this butter and hope it works.
That'll work. Hey, leave it alone.
Okay.
I know there's a lot going through your head here.
Hi, Harvey Sue.
Hi, Harvey.
Okay. Can you pour that into that bowl?
Is it gonna pour out?
Here, can you help?
Yeah, let mommy kind of scoop it for you.
Yeah. Here.
No, just sit, Harper.
Hey, Harvey. Stop.
There you go.
Oh,
Hey,
no.
Harpy, stop.
Let me add a little more in there.
Ooh, Harper. Go, Harpy.
Okay. Okay. And we'll pour that in.
Stop. 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 Stop.
And a cup of sugar. So this is the sugar. I'm gonna pour it in, and then you're gonna pour it in here, okay?
1 cup?
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay. Yep, pour that in.
Nice.
Nice. Okay. Here, Hart. You be the.
You be
can
the
hold that.
spatula girl. Just turn it one little click.
One little click that way.
Are you hiding?
Okay, timer for 1 minute. So then, you can do a little dance. Ooh, we got it. Turn it off for a minute and we'll scrape down the sides. Get it all off of here. Okay. You want to turn it back on now?
Yeah.
Other way. Turn it. Now dance again. Let me get my recipe again. Now it says beat in the egg, vanilla,
Egg,
powder, and
vanilla.
salt.
I put it in there.
You want to try to crack an egg?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll crack it in the bowl, and then when it's done, we'll put it in this big bowl. You did it! There you go. Yeah, actually, I think we're good.
Another
Impressive, Addie. Ew, you got slimy egg finger. We need to go wash your hands, don't we?
And find me, I do normal.
Actually, we only needed one.
Why?
It says just 1 egg. Okay, let's go wash your hands so that you're not slimy-imey.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Can you pour that egg into this bowl? Or you know what? We'll do this so it's easier. Very good. Okay, so you hold this. And I'm going to pour it in there. But you have to hold it real straight, okay?
Up,
Nice. Now pour it in there.
up, up,
Good job. Nice.
Hey, Harpy.
Okay.
up.
2 teaspoons of baking powder, which I should have done this before. We're just gonna go for it. Okay, so 2 of these. So 1
Nice.
and 2.
Nice job, Eddie. You're a good baker.
You're a good baker.
Eddie, you're so good.
Once it gets mixed, we'll add the flour.
Wow.
I'm ready to eat it.
Not yet.
It's not ready yet.
Icing that you're making?
This is the cookie.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
Are you making one cookie?
This doesn't have any flour in it.
Oh. Does that give it the thickness?
Yeah. This is 3 cups of this stuff. Okay. So let's hold on just a second. Oh, that was almost perfect.
Almost. Dang near.
Okay. So pour that. Oh, here, I can lift this up. Okay?
Make sure you make it in. Oh,
It's okay.
that's okay. Little spills. Little
Spills
spills.
are fine.
Yeah.
1 more cup of flour.
Oh.
Hi,
It'll
Harvey.
pour in.
You want me to pour it in?
Yeah. Because
You want to play with it?
little matches somehow.
You make little messes somehow?
Hey.
That's okay.
Somehow.
Accidents happen.
I do want that.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Addie?
Mommy's making a little mess too.
Hey, stop.
It looks a little crumbly.
It looks very crumbly right now.
Did we do something wrong here?
We have a problem.
Is this normal?
I want one.
Let's see. Maybe it's supposed to be crumbly. I don't know. See. Your hands were clean, right?
Yeah.
So I think what we need to maybe do is use our hands
Mush it?
and you mush it together.
Does it seem like it'll
Yeah,
mush?
there we go.
Ooh, it's making her do the spins. Yeah. 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 Ooh, and the booty shakes.
It's making the girls
Go
dance.
girls.
They're so
Go
excited.
girls. This is your bear?
Okay.
My. Yeah, Dion. And this one is just for.
Eating purposes
Its ear
later.
fell off when I sat the plate down.
Okay.
What happened to the?
I like
Ooh,
that
you got it.
Okay.
I really hate that one.
So we are gonna have a decorating competition. We each have a bear. We're gonna do our very best and see who can make the nicest bear. Okay?
No. I got the earbud.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
kick mommy's butt?
So you guys can look at this for reference, or you can make whatever you want. Okay? Okay. Which kind do you want to start with, Addie?
That one.
This one?
Oh, my bear.
I'm trying to think of something else.
Something unique.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, what, chocolate?
Yeah, I'm starting with chocolate because I want my bear to be brown. What are you
Okay.
gonna start with?
That one.
Okay.
I kind of wanted to start with that.
Is it open? Here's the yeah. It is. Here's the thing. It does actually. It's supposed to have a tip on it. So
Yeah.
We had to do eyes.
Here, put it like this. Squeeze it. Here, I'll help you squeeze. We're gonna have to spread this around, aren't we?
Can you want me to get another knife?
She is
That
full
is-
strength.
That is quite the concentration.
You want more?
Yeah.
This looks great.
Oh, mommy.
Okay, I'm gonna get you a spoon and you can spread it around, okay?
Yeah.
Mommy's just going for
I'm
it.
gonna get you a fork and you can spread it around, okay? Here, look. Spread it around
No,
like.
I do it.
I know, I was.
You just flung icing on me. Probably in my hair. It's okay. I feel like I'm on a time crunch because Harper's gonna be done soon, I'm sure.
Mmm.
How's it going back there? Is it so good? Yeah. Delicious. Okay. We also have the other parts of our bear. Let me grab those.
I like your ears.
What did you just do?
No.
Did you just
What?
lick it? Or are you just licking it off? You gotta You gotta decorate it, not lick it.
Got your haters.
I guess you can do whatever you want.
Grab it.
I was thinking you just spread it around. Like that. Do you want more?
Yeah.
Okay, watch. I'll do like I did on mine. Just squeeze it on.
Here.
Oh, I don't need the fork. Thank you, though. I've got mine just how I want it.
Yes.
So far.
Okay, are you using the other parts of your bear?
I don't know what is. No.
No?
I have an idea, but I'm not good at
Hey. I want.
like art
So this
stuff.
is, remember this is the nose. So like you put this on and then you put more icing, put the nose on, and you would draw the eyes right there. But you can do whatever you want.
Wait, did you get this too?
I like that one. Oh, no, honey.
Looks funny. Do you need another plate? Here.
Yeah. I want one more.
Look at Harper.
Oh my. I really wish I was good
I
at
want
art.
more.
Do you want chocolate or buttercream? Or what?
Chocolate.
Some chocolate?
Okay, apparently
Okay.
I've started.
This.
Bye.
He's doing something creative here.
It could be super ugly.
Did you have a good cookie? Was that you so yummy? Oh, buddy. Oh dear.
Daddy, I could do it.
You can use your other hand.
Yeah, you can use your.
It's okay if
Both
you get
hands.
icing on your hand.
Yeah, we don't care.
What are you doing?
Oh gosh.
I liked it.
What is it?
You do?
Yeah. It's so cute.
It's cute.
Yeah.
You're cute.
Aw.
You love it?
Yeah. Let me do one.
Okay. You're welcome. Do you want to squeeze it onto this? Put some eyes and a mouth. Try eyes and a mouth. That is a lot. You do it real slow. Like, squeeze it as you move. Yep. That's the mouth. And then do two eyes. Boink, boink. One. That's one eye. Then do another one right there. Okay. Good.
And
Oh, wait. Yeah, fill up that ear like you did this one. Mommy's not going to have any chocolate left.
Now what do you want?
That's okay.
What is yours? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Nice. That's cool.
Direction.
You did. Yours, you win
Mine's
creativity.
just simple.
And I'll be water.
Creativity win for sure for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here's the end
Go on.
result of the bear. Addie's working on Harper's.
Uh-oh.
That is gorgeous. And then Caleb went with a thumbs up
Like an
guy.
emoji?
Yeah, like an emoji thumbs up, which he definitely wins creativity. That was definitely the most creative route, and that I like it.
Put it on mine.
Yeah, look. If you want more cookies, we have
Oh,
more.
she ate directly out of it.
Oh dear.
That's okay. This is just us eating it.
Yeah, it's just us. Yes, this is just us eating these cookies. I promise you that if we ever make you cookies, or if I deliver cookies, or we have parties, we make sure that this does not happen.
You should make bear cookies just like this after people see it. And then
You're like, here, you want
people.
some?
I already talked to it.
She.
Oh, dear me.
What is that? Look at her with the knife.
Okay.
All right, you're
We
done.
went downhill. Well, everybody say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Later.
Say toodaloo.
To the peace.
Toodle peace.
Toodle
Toodle
peace.
peace.
To the
Say toodle peace.
Tally.